Sanibonani South Africa yonke niphelele mkhuluma hlala entabeni lo omelana ubaba kaMntanakana Thoya remember ningakhohlwa omkhulu based in Soweto. Joba ngilana kunenkinga kana Thoya Magene le abusy ngayo ukuthi it's in drugs like me and her drugs. So ama drugs kakhulu bekinifika ngawo lapha endlini. In short ngabe ukuthi mabathi mina ngiyiphara shoot yena win uyiphara. So those drugs and cocaine and whatever they've been coming with her. I don't know where, but I do know and I got proof. Whatever I show ayogini nala ikhulumayo about me uthi cleaner, she was coming with drugs, cocaine and whatever. So I was trying to protect her. So I'm saying this to South Africa. La Thoya Magene knows about those things, whatever she's saying about me, accusations and drugs. They came with La Thoya Magene. La Thoya had drugs on her every time. La Thoya came with drugs at home every time. La Thoya came high every time at home. Even my kid was there. She left and go and do drugs night or somewhere in town while she was 2 months pregnant. She came in the morning around 12 o'clock. La Thoya Magene. On drugs. With drugs. Nyabonga South Africa.